Hello and welcome back to my sewing corner. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're an OG, thank you also for coming once again. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you haven't joined this community, please do so by clicking on the red subscribe button. All right, thank you. Now, today, without wasting time, I'm going to be sharing with us how to make a balloon sleeve. Okay, so this kind of balloon sleeve is still going to be fitted at the top of the sleeve. As you can see here now, this is my sleeve pattern, basic sleeve pattern. And this sleeve here has, you can see, this is just a basic sleeve. Okay, so for the balloon sleeve, it's going to be fitted at the top part and then to flare up at the lower part of the sleeve. So it could be a short sleeve, a three-quarter sleeve, a long sleeve, anyhow you want it. So it all depends on how you want to sew your style. And I recommend that you use a light fabric so that it can drape well, because of the fullness that you give, it won't be too heavy on you and then you still get the beauty of the style. All right, so you're going to need your elastic band at the base of the sleeve, just to hold it together and then to gather it together. So I have a fresh pattern paper here, and as you can see, I've placed the old one, start the shaping from the bicep area. So I'm going to trace this out. I hope we can all see that. Just trace it out. All right. So the bicep is about 1.5 inches below the cap height, and this is the cap height line where your armhole curve falls. So the bicep is around this place. Okay. Now you can start to. It all depends on how full you want it to be. So if you want more fullness, you can use the measurement you have here plus half of it, or use twice of it. It all depends on how full you want. Okay. So I have about, let's see, about 6.5 here, or 6/4. So I can decide to just make this one the whole length of this sleeve, of this paper and paper. And this is about 9/4. So all I'm going to do is just connect it straight. Just connect it back to the armhole, to the cap height. Can you see that? So just connect it back to the armhole. If you want more fitting at the bicep area, you can connect it at that bicep area to it. Now, if you do it this way, if you want more fitting at this bicep area, it's going to be, firm at that point, and then it will flare out after that point. I'm just going to cut this out. You can stick with any one. Let me stick with this one. Now, all you need to do, it's not even any stress at all. Unlike the one I showed you yesterday where you gather or you sew a loose stitch at the upper part, you don't need to do that one here. All you need to do is just to fold it and measure your round sleeve. So you're going to take your round sleeve measurements on your elastic band like I showed you yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it with this one. So you're just going to take your round sleeve measurement here, all right? Like if it's going to be a long sleeve, make sure it's very firm, all right, so that it won't, you know, be too loose. Okay, make sure it's firm, and then that's what you pass across this. By the time you fold it in, it's on your aiming allowance. Okay, by the time you pass it across, it's gonna gather naturally, and then you can sew your sleeve, and that's it. You can just seal up the sleeve.